In today's video, we will be looking at how to create a booking page in Google Calendar. Let's begin. In order to create a booking page in Google Calendar, the first thing you need to do is to open a new tab and then select the email address that you will be using. In this case, I am using this particular email address. I will then navigate my mouse to Google Apps and select Google Calendar from this portion. After clicking on Google Calendar, navigate your mouse to create and click on the drop down. Beneath the drop down, you would see event, task, and appointment schedule. Go ahead and select appointment schedule. Over here, you can go ahead and add a title for your appointment schedule. We would say free consultation. Appointment duration is how long you want each appointment to last for. Then general availability is days that you are available for this kind of appointment. If you would be available on Sunday, you just have to click on this plus sign and then we are going to add a period and you can select the time that you would be available. Let's say from 8:30 to 9 o'clock, and you can do same for Monday, say 8 to 8:30. If there are more days on Monday that you would be available, you can just select add another period, today's day, and you can select 9:30 10 o'clock. You can then add more and say from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. You can do for the others as well. So we say 8:30 to 9 o'clock. In case you want to take out a period, you're going to use this. It says unavailable. You just click on it and it's going to say unavailable. But in case you want to be available on that particular day, you just use this plus sign to add another period like this and it's done for you. Over here, you go ahead and select your time zone. So currently for me, it's GMT and there are others that you can explore if it's in your time zone. And then the scheduling window, when you click on this drop down, you have scheduling window. You can be, if you're available now, you can take this. But if you want a start and end date, you can take this box and then input the start date and then the end as well. Now over here, there is maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. You can make this 30 days. And the minimum time that when you schedule this appointment, the minimum time that people can start booking is it can be 3 hours or 2 hours. Then you can adjust availability in case you would not be available on some specific date. You can do that here. You click on change a date availability, then you can go ahead and then adjust your time. Over here at appointment settings, when you click on this, you have the opportunity to limit how many bookings that you can have per day. So in case you want to have 4 bookings per day, you can select this. In case you don't want to limit it, you can uncheck this box and you can also allow guests. If you want guests to invite others, you can check this box. But if you don't want your guests to invite others, you can just uncheck this box. And now over here, in order to avoid conflicting calendars, you're going to select the calendar that you want and it will check your other calendars if you have more than one in order to avoid conflict. When you are done with all these settings, you're going to click on next. Now over here at the booking page photo and name, it's going to display, when you click on this drop down, it's going to display the name and then the profile image that you used when you were creating your Google account. In case you want to make changes, you can just click on manage Google account photo and name. You will be directed to a new tab and you can make all available changes over here. When you navigate your mouse to location and conference, and you're going to select how and where you would want to meet your customers or clients. In case it's a Google Meet video conference, you can select this. If it's an in-person meeting, you go ahead and select this. If it's via phone call, you go ahead and select this. And if it's none, you can specify it later. With description, you can add a short note that explains your services and what you do, or any other thing that you would want to add. With a booking form, when someone wants to book an appointment with you, they would have to enter their first name, last name, email address. In case you want to add additional item, you click on add an item and we can say phone number, or you can customize this. Okay, you can customize this, right? Whatever you want to be added over here. But I would go ahead and say phone number. You click on required and add item. It will be added for you. So when people book appointment with you, they are going to receive booking confirmations and reminders. When you are done with all this, you go ahead and click on save and your appointment has been scheduled. You can click on share to copy your appointment link and share with whoever you want to book an appointment with you. You can share it on your social media pages. And when you click on open booking page, this is how your booking page is going to look like. Over here, you have your name and your picture preferably, and then the title, and then the duration for the appointment, the location, and then you have the days that you would be available. So Monday you are available only at 8:30. There's Wednesday, Thursday you are available till, yeah, till. And then you have Sunday. So when someone wants to book, they just have to click on this, enter their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the book. And you would receive a confirmation, and they would also receive a confirmation. If you are looking to learn more about how to use Google Calendar and other tools, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.